Hey all, Roshan here from Camille Beckman. Today we're going to be discussing our recommended uses for body powder. So when you're choosing a body powder, it's important to find something that's talc-free. Talc is a mineral made up of magnesium, silicon, and oxygen. The reason why it's better to use something that doesn't include talc is because talc can be very obtrusive to the skin, to the lungs, and other parts of the body. For that reason, Camille Beckman body powders are made with a potato starch base, which is super soft and silky. So the first and most popular way to use body powder is to use it to soften and refresh the skin. Body powder is really good at absorbing moisture and wicking moisture off of the skin. It's especially great for people who have acne on their body and want to have something to keep them drier. One of my favorite ways to use body powder is in shoes, socks, bed sheets, and laundry. It not only helps give a nice scent and softness to your textiles, but it also removes any sweaty, gross scents that you don't want there and helps neutralize them. Another way that a lot of people like to use body powder is as a deodorant. I personally am kind of a sweaty person, so this doesn't really work for me. It doesn't really help neutralize the odors. But if you don't sweat a lot and you don't want to use a traditional deodorant or antiperspirant, which I definitely don't recommend using antiperspirants, but if you don't want to use a traditional deodorant, then I would definitely recommend using body powder and seeing if it works for you. Our fourth best use for body powder is to use it as a dry shampoo. If you have oily hair or you just don't really feel like washing your hair, you can just take a little bit of powder, put it in your fingers, and just tousle it through your roots. It'll help kind of dry up the excess oil and make your hair look super presentable and fresh in a quick snap. Finally, there are a lot of uses for body powder, but the last one we're going to share with you today is to use it to prevent chafing. In order to do this, you can just take a little powder, put it between your thighs, and it'll help the friction between your legs, keep a gentle softness between it so it doesn't cause any abrasions or any pain, and it'll also help your skin feel silky smooth. Obviously, there are a lot of different uses for body powder. If you have other suggestions for us or for the community, you can comment below, and please be sure to subscribe to Camille Beckman's channel for more content like this.